Hey guys, Eric here. Thanks again for watching another quick video. If you like the content, be sure to subscribe for more videos just like this. So today I want to talk about Facebook groups and how powerful they are. And if you're marketing yourself and you're marketing a product, whether digital or physical, the Facebook platform is huge for that. And most people nowadays are on lots of groups. And of course, the groups are related to things that they like. Now, I have a group that's over 14,000 right now. If you ever want to learn how to build a group, and I'll have something in the description box below, a link to an actual book that I've got that you can find out how to build your own group organically. Now, when we talk about using Facebook groups and targeting your audience, the first thing you want to think about is, if you're marketing, what are you selling? So a quick for instance, I sell shirts, and I'm a big fan of sharks. So I like to sell shark shirts. So I've joined some groups that are related to sharks, but I've also made it clear to the admin, and I've let them know, hey, by the way, is it okay to post every once in a while? Just a quick tidbit there. Make sure that you do check in with the admin so you don't get kicked out of the group right away, especially if you're not following their policies. Now, the feature I want to show you is something that I haven't seen too many people talk about. And basically what it is while inside the group, you're able to find out posts related to the things you're looking for. Let's just get right to it here. Let's go right to a Facebook group related to sharks. So let's go here, sharks. Basically, it's all about sharks. So what you want to do is head over to the search this group part. And I can put something in like, where can I find shark shirts? These are keywords. So what it's going to do is it's going to search for those keywords inside the group. Press enter, scroll down, and again, these are posts related to those keywords. Okay, right here, my new shirt. Somebody's got a shirt that's related to sharks. Okay, here's a shark ring. What do you think of my new favorite shirt? Santa Jaws. So what you can do is you can buy the shirt from the company that you're working for, essentially post it, right? And then in the comment section, you should go ahead and use a link where they can actually get it. Now, Facebook doesn't like affiliate links, so you've got to be creative about this. In some ways, and you still may be able to use Bitly, but you could send them somewhere through a web site, you know, maybe wherever that site is that you're promoting that niche. But you can see, what do you think of my new favorite shirt? She's creating engagement. You know people are going to say things. There's 22 comments here. I want one. I got the shark Christmas jumper already. Want that. I want to see, people will get involved, and if they want it, they can get it right there. It's just a way to do it in a different way of selling. But the important thing is this, is that I'm utilizing this search area of the Facebook group related to those keywords. So it's important to use the different functions that are available or features that are available on these Facebook groups, because it could really work to your advantage. And again, it's organic. So if you have any trouble, be sure to check out my description box on how you can build your own Facebook group organically. Talk to you guys soon.